Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps on Shopify. Adding Google Maps on Shopify helps show your store locations, delivery areas, and business addresses directly on products or contact pages. It improves customer experience and boosts trust by offering precise location details. And here's the easiest way to add Google Maps to Shopify. Now in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's start by following the first method, which is using Google Maps empt code. And to do that, just open Google Maps. You can go to maps.google.com and then search for your store's location. For this example, I'm just gonna select a random store. I'm gonna search for a store right here. Let's look for it. These are all addresses of. Let's look for it here. Let's select this market right here. The second thing is click share. Click on the button, share button, and then select empt a map here. Select empt a map and copy the iframe code. That's the HTML. You can choose which is a small or medium or large. Copy it and it's copied in the clipboard. Now go to the Shopify admin. Let's go to Shopify. Here. Let's verify our connection. Now after you go to Shopify, just go to online store and then pages. Let's log in using Google. Now let's skip this phase. I'm just gonna tell you the process verbally, and if you follow these steps, you're gonna be able to add this to Shopify. Now after you go to Shopify's admin, go to online store, then select pages and paste the iframe code into the HTML editor. Second method is using a Shopify app. To do that, just install a Google Maps Shopify app like Store Locator by Store Mapper and configure the app with your location details. Add the generated source code to your store's theme, and that's it. Adding Google Maps to Shopify makes it easier for customers to find and visit your store, whether using iframe engine or Shopify apps. Maps can improve your online store's usability and trust. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.